Hi everybody and welcome back to Planet Zoo, where we are here with a bear, a little Arctic wolf pup. He's so cute. So we're here in the Arctic wolf habitat, but let's get out of here, even though you're so cute. VIP guests. Now we're starting to get people in here. So Mikey Tikey, hello. Something's bad. Hold on. And Tamuth. Oh yeah, he was here last time, I think. Snowball, why do you have low welfare? Uh-oh. Temperature. Ah. You guys are in the wrong zone. I have specific zones for you. Okay. Snowball. Come on, girl. Okay, yeah, so they still need water. Do we have a cooler here? Alright, let's put a cooler there. So today I was actually thinking, we need a lot more coolers. That's not what I was thinking, but it would help. Yeah, so today I was actually thinking that, we should, finish adding in all of our Arctic animals and start getting money. Because I think that would certainly help a lot. Alright, so they're getting snow. And let's actually see, how much space do you have? Okay, so they need 2,000. Oh, wow. Alright, so I haven't actually experimented with this new. Oh, whoa, now there's a lot of snow. With this new water feature with like calm water. Okay, how do you do this? Whoa, why is it obstruct? Oh, wait, do I need to make a ditch first? I think I do. Okay, let's see. Let's put this down a bit. Why don't we actually go? Maybe we'll just make them a little pool right here. We'll need it bigger. Okay. Okay, they still have space. Okay, and actually, does it get rid of their space if we place some water? You have water. Okay, yeah, it does. So, geez, these polar bears they really do need a lot. Hold. Oh, I just undo all of this. Alright. So we are going to need to expand it more, and let's actually go check on Wolfies over here. How is Branch doing? Oh yeah, guys, and hold on, let me close Snowball's thing. We don't need that anymore. Alright, so they don't like the view. I don't care. We'll move them somewhere better later. Okay, so I think Alright, where's this? Okay, this is our Arctic wolves. How's this barrier do? Okay, this one's fine. So I think this is going to be the tree pack. No, not the tree pack. The forest pack. So because we have root, petal, and branch, then this is actually going to be, let's see, I didn't really think about this one that much. You know what? This is going to be the glacier pack. And our polar bears don't. Hey! Hey, you. Why are you running? Okay. Sometimes. Oh, it's snowing. It's snowing. Now we get to see. Oh my gosh, it's snowing. Now we get to see them. Our Arctic wolves in real snow. So, I'm actually going to make it day really fast so that we can see. Yeah. You want it to be pretty bright. Okay, but look how pretty. I love when everything gets like dusted in a layer of snow. Oh, you're so pretty. In snow. Little bear. Alright. Ooh, wait. Okay, I was like, let's play Spot the Polar Bear. You okay? Aww. Why are you so sad? Wait, can you... You can walk in here, right? Barely. Okay, they like their hard shelter. Oh, sweet. Nice job, Kit Kat. Keep researching those wolves. Alright. And I think actually... Whoa, sweet, another one. So... Oh, IDOT. Wait, where... Ah, okay, over here. So, hello. IDOT. Okay, so... Sweet, now we got a lot of money. So, we're just gonna expand our polar bears. Maybe we'll get polar bear babies. Look how much smaller she is than him. Wow, he's big. Wow. Wait, I forgot what we named him. I'm a terrible person. Wait, they're hungry? Uh-oh. Wait, so wait, stop running. Snowball and, oh, we didn't change his name? Okay, this is unacceptable. You are going to be, Icicle, okay? So, Snowball and Icicle. I don't think she's... Okay, good. Num num. Eat your nummies. And actually, we should hire another keeper because I think our keeper right now, Stacy Simmons, is, yeah, she has no energy. Yeah, okay, so we're gonna hire another keeper, especially because look how big this polar bear exhibit is. So we're gonna hire another keeper. Whoa, why did we just spend so much money? Oh my. Last year, oh, okay, I see. It's because, it just became a new year, so. Oh, it tells you the time? It's 10:50, well, it's about 11 o'clock for them. So, now we can actually, you know, let it be dark, let it be light. Just wanted to see while the snow was snowing. Alright, so let's expand. Maybe over here. We'll expand this way. So let's actually do it this way. So, let's give them some water. So, alright, let's curve it actually. They need a good amount of water. Hello? Okay, I think that should be enough now. So let's edit the barrier. Okay. And last one. Okay. So now we deleted everything. Now let's make some water for them. So we'll just have them a little place. Remember, we're not trying to make it pretty at all, just pit of water. We'll do that when we actually make our Arctic section. Alright, are you guys happy with that? Where are you? Can't even find them now. There we go. I believe this is Snowball. Snowball, you're so tiny. Wait. Is Snowball, let's check her genetics. Okay, yeah, so her size is small. Good, I'm glad we hired another keeper because she doesn't live very long. So, Snowball, are you, whoa, they need a lot of water. Alright. Alright, we'll do this eventually. Let's give them some more this way. Alright, so let's curve it. Make it more natural. Alright, I think this should definitely be enough. Polar bears actually, yeah, wow. Here, let's actually select all of that. And boom, now let's just give them all the water. We need to take away. Alright, so connected objects, yeah. You can make it like purposefully dirty, Everglade. Whoa, there's a lot. What's midnight? Ooh, that's really cool. Cosmic cow. Oh my. Gulpy. Pip shot. Bisfot, however you say it. And Street Fox. Oh my, they named it after the drink. What's crystal? Oh, it's crystal clear. That's cool. I think theirs is just clean. I kind of like, no, not the Everglade. Alright, the inspector's here. Tropical. What's, ooh, tropical is kind of pretty. Ooh, Azure. Oh, theirs is definitely Azure. Azure. However you say it. So we're actually going to remove this water really quickly. I know, I'm sorry, polar bears. So that we can give them more space over here. Alright, so let's just get this in here, give them their nice little space. We actually might not be able to get those other Arctic animals in yet, but making our polar bears happy will be good. Let's see. Alright, nice. That should definitely fill their needs. Right? For water? Alright. What? I gave you guys so much water. Alright, well, that'll have to do for now. But we'll be sure to get a lot of money so that we can start working on that expansion. Don't you guys worry. You guys, oh wait, they are on the path right now. Well, it won't be anymore. I'm sorry. Wait, does it say that? Nope, okay, they're just off the path now. let's just build a little path around here so that people can see our lovely polar bears in their water. Alright, so there we go, massive polar bear habitat. And actually I haven't been building over here because that's where I want to put our Arctic section. Ooh, our guests are happy. That's good. Wait, do we have? Okay, good. We have donation boxes over here. I was like, we gotta be able to earn money. Alright. Yeah. Come over here. You see the polar bears? They're amazing. They're awesome. They're cool. Huh? You get it? Cool. Alright. I'm just making bad puns now. So let's just get a couple of donation boxes in here. Alright, so I believe we have all of them in our trade center that we need for the oop, that's my other Arctic World domain house. Yep. So we have our 2 doll sheep. Wait, that's one. So female doll sheep. Where's the other doll sheep? And another female doll sheep. And a male doll sheep. Okay, good. So we have male, female doll sheep. Let's go back up. We have male reindeer. Okay. And female reindeer. And even if we do have multiple, I see one down there. And, oh yeah, those are the only other 2 though. Oh, okay, good. I thought it was something bad. So, nice job, Kit Kat. You know, let's start getting them in here. I think we, well, couldn't go there. Because we don't have, I mean, actually, never mind. We do have a lot of space to expand outwards more. Let's go this way. So, let me actually look at what our, let's see. I want to put the reindeer in. Yeah. So, let's go find those, and I'll see what they need. There's the R's. There we go, reindeer. Alright, so Europe, North America, Asia. Okay, so, oh wow, they don't need a lot of space at all. They just need it cold, no water, and Taiga tundra is what they need. So, let's see, one male. So they want 3 to 12, so probably like, you know, 1 male and a bunch of other females. Was it raining? Oh, it melted all the natural snow, that's for sure. Actually, let's go check on little branch. Sorry, I was gonna say branch of progress, but branch sounded better. That's. You're an elder? Root! Oh my gosh! Root, no! Wait, can I? I think I can edit their aging. So they age slow because, woo, oh my gosh, he's an elder already. It's only been 5 years in the zoo. Yeah, okay, animal settings. Okay, they'll age 5 times slower? Yeah, 5 times slower. Okay. I will have to reload the game, but next time, you know, they'll age slower, they'll die not as fast. So, because I don't want Root to die. Petal! They were the first animals here. Oh, wait, Petal. Where's Petal? Petal. Whoa. Hold on. Oh, okay, that's why. Oh, that's Root. Alright, so, oh, wow, Root's way older than Petal. Okay. well, alright, so, we didn't actually have time today to get our other Arctic animals in, but next time we definitely will. Whoa, polar bears live for a long time. Alright, yeah, so next time we will definitely, let me turn it brighter for a sec. What? Why is it dark again? Yeah, so next time we will definitely make sure to, get those reindeer, and those, doll sheep in, so that we complete our Arctic, and then we'll start saving up money for our true beautiful Arctic section. Oh, look at him. Wait, I think it's Icicle. Look at him sleep. Yeah, so, please like and subscribe if you can, and join us on the next step of our adventure as we continue with Planet Zoo. Nature Wolf, out.